Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we'll start to make the components for a spark plug. And this one will be the first one, the shell. First we'll have to open a new part. And here let's make this plane white. And we'll open a sketch in the front plane. And here we'll start with line to make the next sketch. So we'll make it just like this. And now back to this point. Alright, and now let's make a center line. Make it like this. And now with smart dimension, let's define this sketch. First, we'll start with this. Actually, when we give this dimension, select this line and this center line, and we can put the diameter. Here will be 8 millimeters. And now select this line with this one and select here make collinear. And now this one will have the diameter 10. Okay, this one will have 15. These two should be collinear. And now this one here will have 18. Okay, and now this angle from this line to this one, there will be 135 degrees. This line here will have 1.25. And now here, let's see if it's the good angle. It should be 45. So if it's, in my case, here is this relation between this line with this one, which is perpendicular. And this angle is automatically set. And this is good. If you don't have this relation here, you can put here 45 degrees. And now here will be 2 millimeters. Okay, and this line here will have 8. And this one here will have 4. This one will have 2. This angle here will be 105 degrees. And this one will be the same. Okay, and yes, the last dimension will be right here, and this one will have 14.5 millimeters. And now this is fully defined. Now go to features, use revolved boss base command, and here axis of revolution will be selected this center line, and here keep these settings. Press here OK. Now select front plane, open a sketch, and here let's make the next sketch. Select line, we'll start from this edge, we'll go just like this, and then like this, and until this edge. Then we go to this middle point, and then we go back to this point and back to this point. Alright, and now let's use smart dimension to define this sketch. First, actually, let's make again a center line. And between this line and this center line, here will be, actually here will be the diameter 6 millimeters. This one will be 7. Alright, this one will be 13. And this one here will be 5. And now let's give some angles from this line to this one. It will be 45 degrees. This one will have the same 45. And this line here will have 1 millimeter. This one will have 4.3. Okay, and now let's give an angle between these two. And here will be 135 degrees. And this line here will have 3 millimeters. It's already over defined. Let's see. Okay, so we'll have to define this one. Can delete this one, and we can put here 14 millimeters. Now this is fully defined. Go to features, use revolved cut, and here will be the same. Press OK. Nice. And now let's select this face. Let's open a sketch. And here let's start with the center line, and we'll make a center line like this. And now select center rectangle and make here a rectangle. Now smart dimension, let's give some dimensions here. Here will be 1.25 and here will be 0.75. And now select this edge with this line and select here make tangent. Now we'll have to exit this sketch. And now let's select the top plane and open a new sketch. And here we'll start with line. Actually, first let's make a center line. This center line should start from the center of this rectangle. Make it horizontal. And then select line. And make these two lines. And now it's smart dimension, let's define them. This angle here will be 9. This one here will be 109. This line here will have 2.75. And this one here will have 3.25. And now select sketch fillet. And here the radius will be 1.5. And we'll have to select this point and press OK. Nice, and now let's select these three lines with Control pressed. And then we'll go to this arrow, go to Tools, go to Spline Tools and select here Fit Spline and press OK. And now we'll exit this sketch and we'll go to Swept Boss Base. And here we'll have to select the profile, which will be this rectangle, and then the path, which will be this spline, and press OK. Alright. Now what we'll have to do is to make a fillet here. So go to fillet. This fillet will be a little bit strange. It will not be symmetric. So we'll go here to fillet parameters, and instead of symmetric select this one, asymmetric. The first radius will be 2 millimeters. And the next one will be 0.75. We'll keep the other settings as they are. And I'll have to select here this edge. If you cannot see the preview, click here to reverse the direction and it should appear. Press OK. Nice, and now let's make another fillet. This one will be symmetric and will have the radius 0.5. And here we'll have to select 3 edges, this one, and this one. Press OK. Now let's make a chamfer. This one will have the dimension here 0.25, the angle 45 degrees, and we'll have to select these 2 edges. Press OK, and now let's make another one. This one will have here the distance 1.5 and the same angle, and we'll have to select this edge. Press OK. Nice, and now we'll have to make here a fillet. And to do this, we'll have to open a sketch on this face. And here we'll select this edge. And then go up here and select Convert Entities command. And now go to Features. Then go to Curves, select Helix and Spiral. And here you should put these settings. Height and revolution, constant pitch. The height will be 18.25. You should reverse the direction if it's going the other way. Revolutions will be 29, the start angle 180 degrees and clockwise. Press OK. Now we have our spline. Now we'll have to select top plane and open a sketch. And here we'll select polygon. And here make 3 sides. And let's make a triangle. Select this line, select here, make horizontal. And now select this point with this spline, select here, make pierce. And now let's give here a dimension 0.5. Now exit this sketch and select swept cut. Here, if this triangle is not selected, select it. And here we'll have to select the path, which will be this spline. We can see the preview. Here we'll keep this one and press OK. Now right click and let's hide this spline. This is looking good. Now this is almost finished. Let's open another sketch on this face. And here we'll select polygon again. This time it will have 6 sides. We'll start from this point. Make it just like this. Select this point with this one and select here, make vertical. And now it's smart dimension. Let's give a dimension from this side to this one. It will be 15.75. And I'll go to features and we'll use extruded cut. Select here, flip side to cut. And select here through all. Press OK. And now this is good. And this should be the shell of our spark plug. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.